Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the brand new Auto Create Reels feature on the Facebook app right from your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to keep your content fresh and engaging even when you're short on time. If you want Facebook to automatically turn your videos into eye-catching reels, stick around and follow these simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your page profile photo. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A drop-down will appear, and from there, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your account. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Media. Click on it to open up the media settings. Now, you'll see a section called Auto Create Reel. This is the new feature we're talking about. Next to it, you'll find a toggle switch. Simply click to turn it on. That's it. You've now enabled Auto Create Reels for your Facebook page. With this feature turned on, Facebook will automatically generate reels from your eligible videos, helping you reach a wider audience and keep your followers engaged without any extra effort. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and switch it back to off. So, to recap, open the Facebook app on your PC, click your page profile photo, head into Settings and Privacy, then Settings, find the Media section, and switch on Auto Create Reels. It's that easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates on the latest Facebook features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.